So let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, once again, follow the Telegram channel to stay updated and subscribe. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUD. So let's start with our main trend and we will take a look at our current trend. So the main trend on AUD is an uptrend. It is very clear that the main trend is very much in an uptrend. But when you go to your 4 hour time frame and see what market is doing currently, this is our current trend. And market is trending what? To the downside. This is it. Market is giving us a series of lower low and a lower high. So this is our first low. Then here comes the lower high. Market then was able to drop again to form a new lower low. Then here comes the lower high. Market then drop one more time again to form a new lower low. Then this is our lower high. Market then push up, drop again to form a lower low. And this here is our lower high. So we will be expecting market to drop one more time to form a new lower low. So guys, a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUD. So whatever you would want to be doing on your AUD, be going in for the sell. So we will be anticipating for a sell once the London session opens. So once the London session opens, start looking for your sell setup because markets will start dropping. So it is able to take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low. So more updates will be covered on this for you guys. So click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.